Namaste, all the students from 8th standard, 5th chapter, that is expansion formulae. Let us learn now expansion of the algebraic expression the cube of a minus b. So let us start now to find the expansion of cube of a minus b. Now cube of a minus b, it is equal to a minus b into a minus b and into a minus b. Now a minus b into, now these two brackets, a minus b into a minus b, that is square of a minus b. Now a minus b into, we know the expansion of the square of a minus b. Very good. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Nice. Now here is the multiplication of the binomial with the trinomial. We know that how to multiply a trinomial by a binomial. So that's for that multiplication, each term in binomial has to be multiplied with the given trinomial. So a multiplied with given trinomial, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square, and b should be multiplied with a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a into a square minus 2ab plus b square and minus b into a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now here is the multiplication of monomial with a trinomial. So for multiplication of monomial with a trinomial, we have to multiply the monomial with each term in trinomial. So a into a square, the cube of a, minus a into 2ab, that is 2a square b, plus a into b square, ab square. Now you are multiplying with negative b, so be careful about the signs. So negative b multiplied by positive a square, that is negative a square b. Negative b into negative 2ab, that is positive 2ab square. Negative b into positive b square, negative b cube. Now find the similar term for addition. Similar terms or like terms, negative 2a square b and negative 2a square b. Similarly, ab square and 2ab square. So add the like terms, a cube minus, now negative 2a square b minus a square b, that is negative 3a square b, ab square plus 2ab square plus 3ab square and minus b cube. So now this expansion can be written as, taking common from second and third term, a cube minus 3ab into bracket a minus b and minus b cube. So that is the expansion of a minus b, its cube. Let us now solve some example based on it. First example, the cube of x minus 2. Cube of first term, that is x cube, minus 3 into x square into 2 plus 3 into x into the square of 2 and minus the cube of 2. So cube of x, that is x cube, minus 3 into x square into 2, that is 6x square, and 3 into x into square of 2, that is square of 2, square of 2 is 4, so 12x, and minus the cube of 2, that is 8. So in this way the expansion of x minus 2 is here. Now let us solve next example. Next example, that is 4p minus 5q its cube, or cube of 4p minus 5q. Now first term is 4p and second term is 5q. So cube of first term, that is 4p, minus 3 into square of 4p into 5q, plus 3 into 4p into square of 5q minus cube of 5q. Now cube of 4p, that is 64p cube, minus 3 into square of 4p into 5q. Now square of 4p, that is 16p square. So 3 into 16p square into 5q, and plus 3 into 4p into 25q square, minus the cube of 5q, 125q cube. Now to complete the product here, we got 64p cube minus, now 16 into 5 into 3, that is 240, p square into q, that is p square q, plus 3 into 4 into 25, 25 into 4, that is 100, and multiplied by 3, that is 300. So 300 pq square. Note that the variables should be in alphabetical order. Minus 125 q cube. So in this way we have got here the cube of 4p minus 5 cube. Okay, I hope that you understand this. Next example is the cube of 99. The cube of 99. Let us take 100 minus 1, which is very simple. So now by using rule, the cube of a minus b, we got here the cube of 100 minus 3 into square of 100 into 1, and plus 3 into 100 into square of 1, and minus the cube of 1. So the cube of 100, that is, yes, it is 10,000, minus 3 into the square of 100, that is 10,000, and into 1, plus 3 into 100 into the square of 1, that is 1, and minus the cube of 1, that is also 1. So now do the product. 10 lakhs minus 3 into 10,000 into 1, that is 30,000, plus 3 into 100 into 1, that is 300, and minus 1. Now 10 lakhs minus 30,000, 9,70,000, and plus 299. So it is equal to 9,70,299. So in this way we have got the cube of 99 as 9,70,299. Okay. Next example. The cube of p plus q plus cube of p minus q. Now expand separately given to algebraic expression. P plus cube of p plus q, that is p cube plus 3 p square q plus 3 pq square and plus q cube. Now expand the cube of p minus q plus pq minus 3p square q plus 3pq square and minus q cube. So in this way we have expanded here given two terms in binomial. P cube plus p cube, that is 2p cube. Now 3p square cube minus 3p square cube, so addition is 0. Then 3p q square and 3pq square, so addition is 6pq square, and q cube minus q cube, the addition is 0. So answer is 2p cube plus 6pq square. Okay, now next example. So 2x plus 3y its cube minus 2x minus 3y its cube. Now let us solve it. The cube of 2x plus 3 into square of 2x into 3y plus 3 into 2x into square of 3y and plus the cube of 3y minus into square bracket the cube of 2x minus 3 into square of 2x into 3y and plus 3 into 2x into square of 3y minus cube of 3y. So solve all the brackets. Okay, so cube of 2x, that is 8x cube, then plus 3 into the square of 2x, that is 4x square into 3y plus 3 into 2x into the square of 3y, that is 9y square, and plus the cube of 3y, it is 27y cube, minus into square bracket the cube of 2x, that is 8x cube, minus 3 into 4x square into 3y and plus 3 into 2x into 9y square and minus 27y cube. First complete the product. 8x cube plus 3 into 4 into 3, 36, and x square into y, x square y, plus 2 into 3 into 9, 54, x into y square, that is xy square, plus 27y cube minus, so same terms but signs are different here, 8x cube minus 36x square y plus 54 xy square and minus 27y cube. So in this way we have expanded, and now subtract given terms. So 8x cube plus 36x square y plus 54 xy square plus 27y cube minus 8x cube plus 36x square y minus 54xy square and plus 27y cube. Okay, now we have to underline like terms. here we are going 8x cube minus 8x cube. Another like terms 36x square y and 36x square y. Another like terms 54xy square, 54xy square, and 27y cube and 27y cube. So we have got like terms here. In that like terms 8x cube minus 8x cube addition is 0. Then 54xy square and negative 54xy square addition is 0. So remaining terms are here 36x square y plus 36x square y, that is 72x square y. Next 27y cube and 27y cube, that is 54y cube. So the expansion of 2x plus 3y cube minus expansion of 72x square y plus 54y cube. So in this way we have solved some examples based on the expansion of cube of x minus b, cube of a minus b. So I hope that you all understand. Okay, thank you.